Neither love nor terror makes one blind. Indifference makes one blind. Those who say it can't be done are usually interrupted by others doing it. Not everything that is faced can be changed, but nothing can be changed until it's faced. There are so many ways of being despicable, it quite makes one's head spin. But the way to be really despicable is to be contemptuous of other people's pain. Perhaps home is not a place, but simply an irrevocable condition.